Hello everyone, and this is tutorial number 4 in my 4 video HTML tutorial series. If you haven't seen the first 3, I will link a playlist with the first 3 right here. If you want to see that, just click on the annotation. If not, if you've seen all the other ones, then thanks for watching the first 3, and I'm going to show you how to make a web page into a website. This is when it starts looking very professional, and this is real web design when it's just I don't know how to explain it. It's just a lot cooler than the first 3 videos. Might need to use some CSS, but I'll just put the CSS in the description, and I have the CSS right here if you want to see what it looks like. It's kind of complicated. I have another video where I explain that. It's basically to make a tab navigation bar. But let's get started in making the website. So let's say I have all these 3 different headings, and I want to make them into 3 different web pages to put in a website. So to start off, I'm going to create 3 new web pages to put in, and I'm going to take all of the code and I'm going to copy it and put it into each web page, and I'm going to save each one. So the first one is going to be HTML, the HTML header. So HTML.html kind of sounds funny, but I'm explaining HTML and it's in a HTML. And the second one is going to be CSS.html, and go to all types, save. Third one, I'll just name it java.html and save. Now, to be able to link them, you're going to have to learn lists. First, let's just make the websites each have their own individual content. So the first one's in HTML, so I'm going to get rid of all the other info. CSS, I'm going to get rid of this, and also this. And then JavaScript, I'm going to get rid of all of this. And I'm going to save all. Now, what lists are, they're basically, like it says, a list. It's pretty self-explanatory. So first I gotta look where I want my tabs to be. So I think I want them under my heading but over my text, so I'm gonna go in between and make a list. So list, and the ID is going to be a menu, because in the CSS that's what I will name it. ID menu. So that's an unordered list. If you need more information, I'll put an annotation right here on making list, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. So then I'm going to put a list. I'm going to put 3 list items, and I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going, or actually 4, because I have 4 web pages I need to link. And then I'm going to go, the first one's going to be home, and then I have HTML, and then I have CSS and JavaScript. And so after this, I want to link them to each page. So href, as I showed in the earlier videos, how to link a website. Now I'm just going to link an HTML web page. So I'm just going to link HTML. Then this has to be an ending a tag, and then after that I'm just going to copy this right here, paste it into the 3 others, and I'm going to go and rename all these. So HTML, or actually the home is actually index, then it's HTML on the second one, and I named it CSS and Java. So now it's not going to look very good, but there's just, whoa. So, well, I figured out what the problem was. It's, I have to have an ending A tag after every single one. So then after I have an ending A tag, it should make everything not a hyperlink. So this is just going to link it to the other pages. Well, I haven't put the list in there, so it won't work. But you're probably thinking that, well, is that what's going to be the tab menu bar? Well, it does look just like a link, and to make it look a lot better, you just have to style it with CSS style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this style and I'm going to put it into the head tag. This style will be in the description if you want it. I'm going to save, and now it looks a lot better. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to put the style sheet into all my web pages, and then I'm going to put the list. Alright, now, as you can see, if I open this up, it's a pretty cool website. This is going to be the home. Then if say they want more information here, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And now this is the website. So now I can actually call it a web site. But after I created my website, if there's anything you can just always add more text. I noticed in the first one there's too many breaks, or actually no, in the Java. So there's too many horizontal rules. Break horizontal rule. I'm going to delete that. You can just make little tweaks, see what it looks like, and also, yeah, just do whatever you want. And there you go. That's the HTML tutorials, and this is just showed you how to make a pretty cool website. And if you notice, you can always tweak it. So I noticed this hyperlink is to the right of the image in the index. So to fix that, all you would have to do is put another break. So now if I go, oh wait, that wasn't in the home. Never mind. I'm pretty sure that was in HTML. Yeah, HTML. So let me do that again in HTML. See, there we go. Now it's at the bottom, and maybe I want to put a horizontal rule, HR, break with all the stuff that we learned in the earlier lessons to make it look better. So this is coming to an end with the tutorial series. If you want to see any other videos, I have many other tutorials. I'm going to be coming out with a CSS tutorial pretty soon, so watch out or look out for that video. It'll be on my channel, and I'm going to put thanks for watching. I'm going to put some other annotations here for other videos, and check out my channel. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.